Here are the first 5 terms of an arithmetic sequence. So we're going from -7, -4, -1, 2 and 5. Why do we know it's an arithmetic sequence? Well, to go from -7 to 4, it's going up in 3. From -4 to 1, it goes up in 3. From -1 to 2, it goes up in 3. And from 2 to 5, it goes up in 3. Find an expression for the nth term of this sequence. Right, for an arithmetic sequence, any term is given by the first term, that's what the A stands for, plus n minus 1 times the common difference being 3 in this case. So A is -7, the first term, and as I just said, these are going up in 3s, and therefore D is 3, that's called the common difference. And therefore un will be the first term, -7a, plus n minus 1 times d, which is 3. And now we multiply this bracket out, so we're going to have -7, n times 3, which gives me 3n, and then -1 times 3, which gives me -3, -7 minus 3 gives -10, so we get an answer of 3n minus 10. So here n is 5, 3 times 5 is 15, take away 10 gives me 5. Here n is 1, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 take away 10 gives me -7. So this has been a video to show you how to find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.